Hi guys, we just showed up to Durango Ranch RV Resort and I wanted to give you my first impression. First and foremost, we made reservations ahead of time and the communication with the staff here has been spot on. They've been really easy to get a hold of on the phone, and then also email communication has been super great. So that's always a plus for me. So pulling up to the park, you'll see this building first, and then there are these amazing views over here of the Rockies. This is our camper right here in our truck. We're in site number 1. And then this area right here is super special. There's a gas fireplace, hot tub, a little kid pool. It's a little windy today, so the cushions are getting blown around. Let's go explore the bathrooms and laundry facilities. They're super important. Okay, so walking in, you can see it's super nice and clean. Nice and clean. Oh, this is really nice. Lots of space. It's super clean in here. Here's the laundry room. We've got a couple washers and dryers. Looks like they've got some supplies in the store if you need them. Washers are $2. Dryers are $1.50, so not too bad. The park itself doesn't look to be too big. It looks like it's about 18 sites, which is nice that it's so small with these awesome little amenities that they've got. But let me give you a quick look around. Just right here, and then the mountains behind here that you can see. So going for a little walk around the park, I noticed this cute outdoor kitchen area. It's all covered, so you don't have to worry about rain or shade. Super nice. I like this feature a lot. And so far, Durango Ranch RV Resort is a winner, in my opinion. Stay tuned for more.